All right, so there was a serious car accident on Saturday night, and I wanted to talk about that a little bit because it looks like a 43-year-old was under the influence of alcohol and hit a tree. But the real unfortunate thing is there was a juvenile in the vehicle that was injured and taken to the hospital. And there's really some weird situations where most insurance policies, if that driver, the DUI driver, was actually related to the juvenile, then that juvenile can't make a claim on that person's insurance. Now, they can still make a claim against the adult because the adult caused the injury, right? But most of the time, that juvenile doesn't make that claim. The other thing is, if the juvenile is not living in the household and not related to the driver, then usually you can make a claim on the injury policy, the bodily injury policy that the DUI driver has. It's something that if you know this juvenile, and we'd be happy to look into it and see what kind of claim they can or can't make, and make sure their rights are protected. But there's also, whenever you have a drunk driver, there's going to be an element of recklessness that for them to actually drink and then get into the vehicle. And so there's punitive damages that are on the table usually when somebody has committed a DUI and somebody else has gotten hurt because of it. So anyways, just a few of my thoughts. Hopefully this juvenile recovers, but certainly there are some ways that this juvenile can make a claim. And so if you know them, have them reach out, and we'd be happy to investigate it for them for free. And that's all.